Hello guys, this is Neil Gonzalez. Hey Rich Richie. Look at this. It is starting to rain. It's really raining hard and it's very dark. Look how dark it is. Get out of there. Oh my god. Holy shit. This is no, look at this. It is really pouring outside. Say goodbye to those nice temperatures. Say goodbye to the... Now Tropical Storm Peachy is bringing the worst. Oh my god. Here comes the gusty winds. Yo, it is raining very hard. Heavy rain. Oh my gosh. It is super dark. Look at this. Oh my god. It is raining. Yeah, my camera always be white. It is bad. Look at this. This shit, man. It is raining. Rich Richie, if I was you, I'd rather wear headphones to listen to these rain. And even all my friends. People who are watching this, even you too, Rich Richie, wear headphones. You can hear the rain. It's scary outside. It is scary. Said in the news, Rich Richie, that all you, my friends, you too, Rich Richie, special weather statement is in effect that we can have occasional lightning. Oh my god. Wear headphones, people, wear headphones. Oh my god. Yo, look how dark it is. Oh my god. It is raining so hard. Look at how, oh my god, it is so dark. Now it's just like a nightmare. We're having like a nightmare storm. We have lightning. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy Lord. Winds. Winds are right now gusting at 70 miles per hour. Winds gusting 70 miles per hour. And it's occasionally 60 miles per hour. This is so bad. Oh my god. Holy crap. Holy shit. Oh my god. I'm uploading a video already, which is the Tropical Storm Peachy. It's done a great job with this. This is scary. This is me, Neil Gonzalez. It's freaking crazy. Look at this shit.
How do you start, Ryan? Right. What? So? Hey. Let's go back in here. What the hell? It says a girlfriend.
Go. Run.
A girlfriend gave a chance to her boyfriend to live a day without her. No communication at all. And said if she counted.
Hope you guys like this video. I'll try to see if there's occasional thunderstorms or lightning, because we have a special weather statement that could be expected with occasional lightning. And bye.